Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and I thought I'd give you an update on the renovation of the Urban Empire. So in the last video I showed you, demo was complete. Well, since then, we have had the foundation company come in, the concrete guys, and they've dug the trenches for the foundation of the house, and they have dug the foundation for the garage. So now you guys can get a good idea of the size of the garage. You know, obviously they still have to put the forms in and then pour the slab, so not quite exactly the size, but give you a size that it's going to be a decent sized 2-car garage. And then we'll pan over here and show you the outline of the house. So the house back wall going to be right here. I have a sliding glass door right out there, straight into the garden. Nice. Now you're got the living room's going to be right here. You're going to have one of the bedrooms right here. Then we're going to have another bedroom and bathroom right here, and the stairwell going upstairs will be right there in that corner. And then we'll have this nice long driveway back to the garage. And as you can see, the house will have a little cutout right here. And you'll have plenty of open space from the garden to the front of the garage, coming straight down the driveway. So there you have it, guys. That's the update on the renovation. As soon as the slab is poured, or maybe after the forms for the foundation go in, we'll take another video and show you guys, because I'm going to take you along for the whole process of the building of the Urban Empire, guys. That's right, I'm excited. Trolls beware, Gnome Army. We are going to be new and improved. So with that, guys, have a great day, and like I always say, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.